Hello, my name is Graham Howard and I am Service Manager at Smedegaard Pumps Limited. In this short video I'll be showing you how to correct or zero the transducers for differential pressure sensing on an Omega ECOFlexx circulating pump. Here is a Smedegaard Flex Drive variable speed drive fitted to an Omega pump, referred to in our range as the Omega ECOFlexx. When utilising the Flex Drive on a circulating pump and using differential pressure sensing, the transducers will require correction or zeroing prior to operation of the pump. Firstly, it is necessary to put the Flex Drive into stop mode, displayed by the green stop LED being lit up. The Flex Drive can be put into stop mode in a number of ways. These are firstly by pressing the Run Stop button on the Flex Drive. Secondly, by disabling the pump at the boiler house control panel, or thirdly by removal of the wires from terminals P1 and CG or Run and CG. It is important to take care when removing the wires. Ensure that the power is turned off and the unit is left for 5 minutes prior to exposing the electrical internals. Remove the terminal cover fixing screws and lever the cover off from the left hand side. Remove the wires from either P1 and CG terminals or Run and CG terminals. After removing any wires and making them safe so they cannot touch anything, replace the cover and reinstate the power to the Flex Drive. While the pump has been stopped, we need to check what the static pressure within the system actually is. When we know this, then we can use the up and down buttons on the Flex Drive to find I and O, which represent the inlet and the outlet. Do not confuse a large O and small o, which is a percentage output and should be ignored in this case. Both I and large O should display the same pressure and should also be the same as the system static pressure, which in this case is 1.4 bar. To change the pressure reading on I and O, we first need to make a note of which transducer needs adjusting and how much it needs adjusting by. So for example, if the inlet I is showing 1.4 bar and the outlet large O is showing 1.6 bar, the outlet transducer needs to be adjusted by minus 0.2 bar. When the pump is in stop, press the up and down buttons together for a couple of seconds to enter the PR menu. Use the up or down buttons to find PR4. This is the adjustment parameter for the discharge transducer, or PR6, which is the adjustment parameter for the inlet transducer. When the desired adjustment parameter is selected, press the Set Reset button for a couple of seconds. Now D will flash on the left of the display and a numeral will be shown on the right. Adjust by the desired amount as noted earlier. When the parameter setting has been changed, press the Set Reset button for a couple of seconds, followed by the up and down buttons together for a couple of seconds. And again, press the up and down buttons together for a couple of seconds. P should now be shown in the display with a pressure reading. The pressure reading should now show 0 and the pump can be put back into operation. This was an information video detailing how to correct or zero the transducers for differential pressure sensing on an Omega ECOFlexx circulating pump, brought to you by Graham Howard for Smedegaard Pumps.